The celestial navigation method based on logarithms for calculating the sun's altitude was not invented by me. It was used for many years in the Dutch Navy. This traditional approach enables navigators to determine the sun's calculated altitude quickly and accurately using only tables and a worksheet, without the need for electronic devices. The method originates from Dew's formula, named after the Dutch mathematician and astronomer Cornelis Dewes. The formula is particularly well suited to logarithmic calculation, making it possible to obtain accurate altitude computations using only logarithmic tables, trigonometric tables, and simple manual calculations. Cornelis Dewes employed the trigonometric Versine function, which was widely used before the advent of electronic calculators. The Versine simplified astronomical navigation calculations by avoiding negative numbers and eliminating the need to subtract values that were very close to 1, a process that could introduce significant rounding errors. As a result, logarithmic tables could be used more reliably and efficiently for navigational computations. At first sight, the Dewes method may seem to belong to a mysterious world of logarithms and unfamiliar calculations. Fortunately, you do not need to master the theory behind logarithms to use it effectively. This classic equation is well suited to scientific calculators, but poorly adapted to computation with logarithm tables. Unlike the classic altitude equation, the Dewes formula is particularly well adapted to logarithmic computation. Its advantage does not lie in greater mathematical accuracy, since both methods produce the same computed altitude, but in its structure, which is far better suited to calculation with logarithm tables. The essential idea is very simple. Part of the formula converts ordinary numbers into logarithmic values. This clever transformation allows multiplications to be replaced by simple additions, which were much easier to perform before calculators existed. Once the additions have been completed, the logarithmic values are converted back into ordinary numbers. It's like sending our numbers on a log trip and welcoming them back to the world of natural numbers. What you should remember is that this method was designed to avoid difficult multiplications when working with simple sine and cosine tables. Logarithms are merely a practical tool that makes the calculation easier, not an obstacle that must be fully understood. By following the worksheet step by step and using the tables provided, you will be able to apply the method successfully without any prior knowledge of logarithms.